Hi, today I will share how to create this invisible photo effect in Canva. Open a project in Canva and then add a background. Add the photo with transparent background. Duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. Click Edit. And then go to Style Match and click See All. And then choose Slide Art. And then click Eraser. Choose Pixel Eraser. And then erase the body part that uncover with cloth. And I will also remove the shoes. Click Done. Go to Edit. Scroll down to Filters and See All. Scroll down to find the duotone and click on the Custom. Select the shadow and change to white or any color that you want. Click Position, Layers, and select the photo backward. Click Eraser, choose Pixel Eraser. We will remove the cloth part. Click Done. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.